Create a NFT at Singular.app. Click on the Create button. Choose the network where you wish to deploy your collection. Click on the collection you wish to mint. If you haven't created a collection yet, please refer to our short tutorial on how to create one. Choose the file for the NFT. You can also drag and drop from a local folder. Upload a thumbnail, a reduced-size version of the main image for faster loading in the marketplace. Write the name of your NFT. Provide an appealing description for your NFT. Fill in the fields with attributes. We provide some examples here, but this step is optional. Choose the currency you wish to pay the fee. With RMRK tokens you have a discount. Click on the Create button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. That's it. Your NFT is now visible and ready for other actions. For additional instructions, please check our Learning Hub at Singular.app.